Hi, it's me. Yes, the one who thought walking through Sabana Grande Boulevard at noon, in Caracas, with no sunblock, was a good idea. Anything can happen here. They'll sell you a phone charger, read your palm, and convince you the earth is flat, all before lunch. This boulevard isn't just a street, it's a reality show, no cameras, no censorship, just a lot of sweat. I start from Plaza Venezuela, where fountains try to dance, even though most are dry. But hey, art doesn't care. Poets, stunt bikers, you name it, they've all passed through. Look closely at the ground, it's full of history, and chewing gum from 1987. This used to be a road for cars, until someone in the 80s said, what if people walk without fearing death by taxi? And boom, the pedestrian boulevard was born. Now you can wander among broken guitarists, crazies sculptures, and grannies who walk faster than your youthful legs. Amazing. Sometimes you walk here and don't realize you're stepping on art. Literally. Soto and crazies works are part of the floor. It's like Caracas whispering, appreciate the art, but watch out for that mango peel next to it. One of the sacred temples here is the Grand Cafe. Nobody knows how many presidents fell or relationships ended because of gossip born at these tables. Order a small coffee and you might overhear a spy scandal, a bitter divorce, or the perfect asado negro recipe. All in under 5 minutes. There used to be proper cinemas here, the kind that smell like popcorn and first dates. Radio City was a gem. Some came for the films, others just to hide from their in-laws. Now, many are closed, but if you pass by at night, you can still hear ghostly whispers, no spoilers. Looking for a bookshop? You'll find it right next to a shop that reads your aura, cleanses your energy, and sells foot powder. All in one shelf. In Sabana Grande, you can leave with a Garcia Marquez novel and a rock to ward off bad vibes. They're the true heroes of the boulevard, selling USB cables that last 3 days and empanadas that could survive a nuclear war. Take the deal, take the combo, lady, they shout while dodging bikes and haggling like they're on the stock exchange. We've reached Chiquito, where the pace picks up, people run like there's a prize for catching the metro first, and you just want a ham roll and a lime juice. Here's where the boulevard ends, or where the stress begins, depending on traffic and your blood pressure. Sabana Grande is like that eccentric aunt who never shuts up, always has a story, and sometimes smells odd, but you love her. It's living history, pop culture, open-air gallery, and existential boxing ring. Here, you survive with humor, an empanada in hand, and the certainty that Caracas, though mad, always has something to say.